La 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 la.
It's an epidemic. Imposters are everywhere. We have to expose them.
I think you're exaggerating, Sammy. I guess you've played that game for too long.
What if you are the imposter? What should I do?
Calm down, Sammy. I assure you, I am not the imposter.
Can you prove it? For example, what do I like the most?
Candy, Sammy. Just like me.
Okay, you passed this test. What if I'm the imposter then?
Huh. We can check this right now. Come on, to the kitchen.
Let's do it.
Hi, guys. Today, we'll have a real cooking masterclass inspired by the Among Us game.
Is it gonna be a cake, Sue? Please tell me it's gonna be a cake.
You're right, Sammy. The coolest cake will be among us today. But first, we need to bake the cake layers. Sammy, could you heat the oven up to 175 degrees Celsius?
Sure, Susie.
Always be careful with the hot oven, guys. In the meantime, we add flour and some cocoa powder. This way. Guys, I really want to prank Sam today, so hush, don't give out my secret.
What did you just say, Susie?
Oh, I was just asking our viewers to give this video a thumbs up.
Right. So what are you doing, Chef Sue?
Well, I combined all dry ingredients and now I'm sifting them to enrich the batter. This way it will have airy texture. There we go. I decided to make a red velvet cake, shaped like a crewmate. Or an imposter. Who knows?
Then we're gonna need this as a reference.
Cool idea, Sammy. Let's continue. Next come room temperature butter and sugar. Now let's whisk them with a mixer. There we go. Guys, be very careful and ask an adult to help you with the mixer. Now we add 1 egg and beat it in the mixture until it's well combined.
Sue, this is all the buttermilk we have. Will it be enough?
Perfect timing, Sammy. And yes, that'll be just enough. I'm a bit tired of the mixer. Let's use some culinary magic to make everything happen. Voila! And now we'll combine wet and dry mixtures. Ta-da!
I wonder why this is called red velvet. It's more like a brown one to me. Ah! Got it!
Okay, the batter's done. We also added vanilla extract and now… it smells so good. I actually did one more round of batter. We're gonna need a lot of it for our cake. Now we only need to bake it in molds for 40 minutes in a preheated oven.
I'll go play the Among Us while waiting.
Our cake layers are ready. Oh, I can't wait to taste them.
Come on, Sue! Let's cut the imposter out of them and eat him!
Not so fast, Sammy. We'll need this to cut the pieces of the right size. Don't rush, and you'll succeed.
But these circles are pretty small. I thought the cake was going to be epic.
And it will be. We'll need these circles to make our guys' legs. There! Now we can build our cake.
But Sue, what will hold these little pieces of the cake together? Concrete?
Of course not! I forgot about the frosting!
Ha! But I didn't.
You're a lifesaver. Or better, the cake savior.
I won't argue about that. Thumbs up to me and my resourcefulness. Ha ha ha!
By the way, Sam, the frosting's perfect. Well done.
The best ever vanilla buttercream frosting for the best ever red velvet Among Us cake.
There. Perfect. Now we place the cake layers on top of each other to get towers like this.
How much longer? Still, Sue, why exactly they call it red velvet?
I think it's because of the cake's color and texture. I know the earliest recipe was published back in 1871.
Whoa, what an ancient cake!
Sammy, let's insert these through the whole cake column. Like this, to make sure that nothing falls apart. Here comes the last skewer. Hop! Okay guys, this part's ready. We're gonna need one more exactly like that. Ta-da! Let's let the ganache freeze. Sammy, could you take these to the fridge? In the meantime, I will proceed. We need to make one more red velvet tower, but this time a bigger one. Carefully. Remember not to rush, guys.
Susie, I'll take these to freezer and chill a bit myself. I really want a milkshake.
Sure, Sammy. Take your time. Hup. Guys, now it's a perfect opportunity for my little prank. Remember I told you? Let's make a hole right here in the middle. Like this. And now we put this bone inside. It's made of fondant, which is, I bet, very tasty. Now we need to pull all the other layers up here so that Sammy won't notice my little surprise.
These two are ready. But Sue, I still can't figure out why we need these 3 cakes. Are we going to make a whole space station?
Give me just a few more seconds. We need to make this cake look more roundish. Be very careful with the knife, guys. Actually, you'd better ask an adult to help. There we go. And done.
Let's see. This looks like the body of the Among Us crewmate. And these looks like his legs. Shiver me chatters! I got it! I finally got it!
Hail the great Tibidaba! Now you can help me.
Easy peasy. Watch me. La 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 la. Ahem. Ta-da!
Good job, Sammy. Now we can put all 3 parts together. And here's what we got. Looks not bad, right? Yet the most beautiful part is left. Decoration! We'll need lots of colorful fondant for it.
Susie, can you tell me more about the red velvet cake? I know that it's tasty and looks really beautiful and has a cool name. And that's it.
Well, I also don't know much about it. Once I read a legend about how its recipe had become popular. Wanna hear it?
Ooh, I like legends. Spill it out.
So, a long time ago, one really rich lady was dining at a restaurant. She had this cake as a dessert. By the way, guys, be careful with the knife. She liked the cake so much that she asked for the recipe. The rich lady got one, along with the bill for an impressive amount of money.
What happened then?
That pissed her off. She paid, but then she blew the recipe out to the whole city to take her revenge.
She must have been really impressed by that cake. I wish I was that rich to buy any recipe for any cake.
Sweet tooth Sam. Anyway, that's just a legend, and we should speed up if you want to taste our cake today. The spacesuit of our cake guy is almost ready. We only need to make a mask. We'll use the blue fondant for that. Carefully cut out the shape, like this. Be careful not to cut yourself. Let's put it in the place right away.
Sue, I think I know what we're missing.
Here's a little trick, guys. Looks perfect.
Sue, check out what I made. Ugh.
Wow, Sammy, you're a genius.
I can do it myself. Mission complete.
Now we can have a good look at the cake.
Don't miss a thing, guys. The cake will be gone in a mere second.
What a heavy cake indeed.
It doesn't matter, Sue. Come on, let's finally taste it.
Okay, Sammy, here we go. Guys, I strongly advise you to ask an adult to help you cut the cake.
Susie, I feel a bit awkward about it.
Why?
I mean, it's like we are the imposters.
You're right. 1, 2, 3.
Ah! What is that? Sue, where did you do that?
Sammy, you've been pranked.
Holy cannoli, Sue! Is it edible?
Sure it is, Sammy. Come on, dig in.
Nah, spoons are for losers. Didn't think that being an imposter was so tasty.
Guys, if you like this video, feel free to share it with your friends. I promise we'll keep amazing you with new crafts. So stay tuned. See you soon. Bye.
Bye, guys. It's cake time. Sue, I mean it. How are we gonna eat the whole thing?